I'm going to put some numbers on my triangle, and then we'll try and find the way to solve this. So I'm going to say there's a length of 10 centimeters. I'm going to call then this is 10 that way. It's going to have a width of 8, so that's going to be 8, and the height is going to be 5. All right, the way that we're going to solve this, I'm going to use my hands here to help show you. Oh, sorry, I can't draw this. Okay. If you can't draw this, I'm going to show you one more time how to draw this. The way I do this always is you just draw 2 rectangles, 2 squares, and just connect the dots. Life is made. Was created in front of your eyes here. We'll forget about that. Now, the thing is for these questions, even for me as a math teacher, I cannot solve a 3D triangle in my head. Like I'm looking at that, I can't do it. What I am excellent at is trig, at 2-dimensional triangles. Can anyone see how it would be possible to turn a line from my 2 fingers here into a 2-dimensional triangle? How could I do it? Well, how would I do this? Let's turn it to the box this way. This is a beautiful right angle triangle like this, right? If I turn my box this way, that's another beautiful right angle triangle. So what we're going to do to solve this 3-dimensional triangle is turn it into a series of triangles. What we're going to do, 2-dimensional triangles. So triangle number 1, hold on a sec. Triangle number 1 I'm going to need here is going to look like this. Okay? Okay, so triangle number 1. I should use my triangle tool. So that's going to be triangle AEG right there. Okay? I know that height's going to be 5. Now here's the thing. Always in trig, you're looking for connected sides. So in order to solve for x, I'm going to need to know the distance of EG. Right? How can I get the distance of EG? What was that? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Riley, go ahead.
If you found the hypotenuse of triangle
ABC. Yes. I'm going to use this at the bottom here because I'm using the bottom one. Right? So that's going to be the same one. So what she said is, I'm going to use this triangle right here again. Okay? So I'm going to make another one here of EF and G. Oh, goodness. So there's G, there's F, there's E. What distances, do I know any dimensions on that bottom triangle? What dimensions do I know?
8, 10.
Yeah, EF is going to be 8, and FG is going to be 10, right? Because if you take a look, this is 10 here. So all this is running. I'm going to call that Y. Y is the same as Y. So if you look at what I did here for my 3-dimensional problem, all I did is turn it into, So all I did here is turn it into a combination of 2 2-dimensional triangles. Okay? It gets easier the more of these you do. Okay. So let's solve for Y first of all. Let's use our great math skills. Can some of you brave and tell me, Jesse, since you haven't raised your hand today, how do you solve for Y, please? Go ahead. Yeah. Good. Good. Keep going. 8 squared is? Oh, you don't know what 8 times 8 is? Oh, goodness. Okay, how do I get the square root? Then you leave it as the square root of 164. Of course, we're not happy with the root of 164. What's the root of 164 the same as? No, totally incorrect. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, good. Not totally correct, but you'll lose half of my hands. Okay, let's keep going here, guys. Here we go. So that should hopefully help me a little bit, because now I can put on the left-hand board, this is the same as 2 root 41. That's what I just found, all right? Go ahead, ask away. What doesn't make sense?
Why can't you just keep it decimal, like, that just basically completely, you know, because 2 to the 41, that's just what I'm doing after it, it's just gonna confuse me. Because like, if we're doing it here,
Do that. You have to use radicals, guys. Very, very soon in life, hey guys, I don't mean mean, but I'm gonna just be mean here for a minute. Very soon in life, like numbers are gonna be gone for you guys, okay? So you have to get used to using radicals. That's one of the things that when they talk, when I talk to the grade 12 advanced functions teachers, they say, what's the one thing that the grade 11 students need to get better with? And it's square roots, one thing they say. Okay, so you have to get comfortable with them. It's not like, oh, that mean old Mr. Sadler square roots, I want to see them again. Okay, they're coming all the way through. All right, let's solve for x. Standard brave soul to solve for x. Oh, the hate. I can't help it, guys, okay? Here we go. X squared. If you guys aren't going to answer, I'll help you then. Okay, so I just play the theorem again. The reason I know that 2 root 41 goes to 164 was because right here I knew that y squared is 164, right? So that's not comes in there. Okay, questions and fears. Amanda, how you feeling? Sorry? You ready to get on to the assignment question? Yeah.
This might just be me, but can we look out, well, do you want to have video classes?
Yes. Okay. I'm going to stop in the video.